Can you hear me? And thank you, Kiran, for sharing your story about Lotus Live. And we appreciate you being our Lotus Live customer. My name is Ravi Ranjan. I work with the Lotus Live development team as product manager here. So what we'll do is I'll give you an overview of Lotus Live and its capabilities. And I strongly encourage you all to sign up for Lotus Live trial account and get a first-hand experience. You get a 30-day trial, and you can also invite other people as a guest users, and you try to see how it helps you do your business role. So what we'll do today is in this session is we'll take a person named Vijay. He is a marketing manager for a small home appliances manufacturing company. And he needs to interact with dealers and his external contacts as well as his colleagues. And we'll show you how Lotus Live helps do his role. So since we are talking about social business, let me start with the people, right? Social business is about network of people. And one part is your profile. The profile is a way to represent yourself to your colleagues and your people outside your organization, right? So you will see your basic information. You can add more information here. And let's say that you want to share your profile with the people who are outside your organization, who are part of the Lotus Live. So Lotus Live allows you to do that. So I'll show you in a minute that you go and edit your profile. And what you see is the two first option, that is that you want to make your profile listed in public directory of Lotus Live. And you get yes and no both options. But since Vijay is a social guy, he would opt in for that, right? And that's the power of social business. And also you get you can have other people tag your profile, and so that it is easier for other people to discover your profile. And you can of course turn it off if you want, and you can remove any tags which you don't want to be seen. You get other information over here, right? So that is about profile. Now moving to the contacts. So what you see is I have a list of contacts which I did import from Lotus Notes. You can import from Microsoft Outlook as well. And we are working on creating more links with other social networks like LinkedIn. So you can have two kinds of contacts, right? One is that in this case Vijay need to interact with people who are marketing contacts in the dealers, right? In this case, let's say take a case of Amol. He works for a print media company, and Vijay needs to interact with him to print his collaterals, right? So you can see that Amol is not part of the Lotus Live right now. And so what Vijay can do is he can invite him as a guest user, right? And Amol will see an email URL, and he can follow and become a part. He can sign up in the Lotus Live as a guest user and get connected with Vijay. And Vijay doesn't have to pay anything to collaborate with me, that is Vijay. He gets many of the features which is available to paid or trial users, like file sharing or creating a communities. That is a big differentiator which we have. Most of our companies don't have it. So going back to the contacts, we have, let's say that Vijay need to connect with some overseas contact, Dennis, and he's already part of the Lotus Live. As you can see, he's signed up with Lotus Live. So Vijay can invite him to become part of network, and what will that entail is that Vijay can be seen on the instant messaging, and he can chat whenever he wants to. So we are building a network over here of the people, right, inside and outside the organization. So we talked kind of high level how you manage and build your network, right? So let's talk a bit more about our how do you leverage this network to do your business?
What about
the
company directory then?
Sure.
Profile and
So what you see is the Renovations directory. So Renovations is a company where Vijay works, and all the people in his company is listed in the company directory, right? And for example, so he can click one of the profile, and if he's not already connected, he can invite him to his network, just like what I showed you as a Dennis. So that's the way. So your company directory is always available to you. So moving to the social capabilities, we have many social capabilities in our Lotus Live, and I'll start with the communities, which is very popular and heavily used by our customers and the users. So what community allows you to do is create a people, so in this case of Vijay, right, he is a marketing manager and he needs to interact with a lot of his dealers' contacts. So he can create a community, right? He can add members which represents the different dealers, right? He can add the description about the community, what this community is about, what is the goal and agenda of it. You can put tags so that it's easy to find other people about this community, right? I'll skip saving and I'll just show you what I had briefly